I'm really excited to show you the unboxing of this Trucozie T550 cordless vacuum cleaner that they sent me. Let's check it out. So first here I see that there is an instruction booklet, and here are all the pieces inside this box. Here's the attachments, the charging cord, also a little brush and a hook to dig out all of the extra hair that gets collected on the brush. I think this is really handy. Here's an attachment holder to mount on the wall. Ooh, this is so sleek. I love it. Black with the beautiful gold accents. The battery, and this has 7 batteries inside that helps keep it hold a charge. The filter and the tube. Let's go ahead and put it together. The directions for assembly are really simple and they're right here in this booklet. See the little prongs on the inside? You just line it up with the prongs inside this head right here. Snap it together. And then there's grooves on the bottom of the battery pack. You just line them up with the grooves on the bottom of the handheld part and snap that back into place. Then take the handheld part and snap it onto the pole, just like so. And let's get started vacuuming. As you can see, I've got some dust and debris here, and all we're going to do is just press this button right here, and let's vacuum. Easily picks it up. I love that there's a light on the end of this. This has a really good suction. I can feel it pulling on my carpet, getting the dust and the debris out of the carpet. Now, if you look inside the canister, you can see that it's already pulled out a bunch of hair off the carpet. The suction is so strong. And all you have to do is press this button and it will release the canister. As you can see, they've already included a filter inside of it, and they gave you an extra one in the box. If you want to clean your filter, all you have to do is just pull it out with this little ribbon right here. To empty your canister, just press this button and the door will open right up. Another feature I love about this vacuum cleaner is the handheld attachment. Now you can either use it without the brush or with the brush. You just simply press the button and bring the brush down and it locks right into place. To use the handheld, just press the button here and remove the long tube and insert the shorter one like that. And then you can easily get all of the nooks and crannies with this small crevice tool, and you can also use the brush to get to your vents and things like that. I really love how this is super adjustable. You can make it really long or short depending on the height that is comfortable for you. I'm very tall, so I extend mine as far as it goes, and it just locks into place, and there it goes. It's very easy to use. I really love my Trucozie vacuum cleaner, and I think you will too.